First things first, appreciate your support. I am back this time with a touch screen washing machine. This is an LG. I feel latest models, and this applies to other brands. They were not built to last. These machines are built for repairs. Like on this one here, the touchpad is dead. The start button. Touchpad washing machines don't want water near them. They should not be installed in a humid area. Now look at this. The touchpad is gone. Now we have to order a complete panel because you can't get just the touchpad. A complete panel is over 20,000 Kenya shillings. But I prefer the old models which had buttons. Now look at this. So for now the customer has to do this as we wait for the touchpad, and in my region we have been told 4 months to receive the part. Quite unfortunate. On a new machine, quite unfortunate.